email. I'll select it in my browser. I'll click on paste and go. And I'll wait for the download to be completed. Once that's done, I'll double click on the file. I'll wait for it to load. I will close my Chrome tab. I will drag the software up. I will look for my sale key. I'll copy it. And then what I'll do next, I'll select a language which I prefer it to be installed in. I'll click on paste. I'll click on continue. And I'll wait for the software to be installed. Oh, once that's done, you'll get a notification. And what I'll do next is I'll click on the close button. Thanks very much for choosing us for your software.